Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to share with all of you my April favorites of beauty and skincare. Everything that I've been loving in the month of April, and I've used it a lot, and I will even do mini reviews for you guys as I share all these products. They're a mix. I have some beauty, I have some skincare, I have some hair stuff. So let's begin. So the first product I have for you is the Body Shop Tea Tree Skin Clearing Facial Wash. I have almost used up the whole bottle. I'm right at the bottom of it, and in these summer months I have oily skin. It's not fully oily, it's combination oily, so I get a lot of breakouts during that time of the month around my chin area, which is really hormonal, and it goes away as the month passes. But this has really helped in deep cleaning my skin, making sure I don't get that nasty, horrible, big red bumps. So this has kept me clear, and I'm really happy with it, and I'm definitely going to repurchase it. And it's for around $6.45, and it's a big bottle, so I think it is a good price for 250 ml, and it really does the job. So tea tree all the way for the summer. Next, I also picked up this tea tree targeted gel for blemishes and acne. It has a doe foot applicator, which is kind of hygienic, and you don't end up, using your fingers all over your face and spreading the acne. This I picked up at the same time when I got the face wash, and I've been using this for the blemishes from the past acne that I had, and even the present breakouts. And this is pretty good. It's the only thing with this is that since it's really small, I could not notice a big difference, but I did feel that it stopped the acne from enlarging and inflaming all the more. It kept things in control. Like, my face wasn't going crazy, so I did not have a really rough time last month. Because, and it kind of lightened some spots near the chin from the past acne, so I'm not mad at it. I really like it. The only bad draw is that it's a little pricey for the quantity. I paid around, I think, 700 bucks for this, what is that, 2.5 ml, so that's a lot, but I did like it. So next I have again another Body Shop product. I'm not a huge Body Shop fan. This is just by coincidence that I have so many products from there. So this one is the Body Shop Oils of Life range, and this is the Intensely Revitalizing Gel Cream. And I like to use gel-based creams because as I mentioned, I have normal to sort of oily skin. So anybody who has normal or slightly oily or combination oily or acne prone skin can use this. I really like it. I have been loving it. The texture is really light. The texture is super light. It melts easily in the skin. It gives a lot of hydration and moisture without being very sticky and heavy on the skin. And it did not disturb my acne, it did not make me more oily, none of that. It made me feel really good in the morning. I used to look forward to washing my face and wearing this on, and just feeling good about it. The only thing with this is that I'm not really a fan of the smell. The smell is similar as the whole Oils of Life range has. It's not bad, but some people might not like it. I like to think more about the job that it does, and it does a wonderful job, so I can look past the smell point. It's really nice. I love it. So next I have Kama Ayurveda Pure Rosewater. This is the steam distilled rosewater. They have many variants. They have the Mogra one, they have the lavender. I have used all of them. This is the face and body mist, and the Kama Ayurveda Rosewater is one of my most favorites for the summer. And all I do is after I wash my face, I quickly spray some of it all over my face, and sometimes if I feel like it, I skip moisturizing because I think this does nourish and hydrate my skin. So next up I have a face mask, the Mama Earth C3 face mask. It says it is to reduce pigmentation, it exfoliates, it lightens dark spots, and it brightens and tightens the skin. Now I accidentally discovered this brand Mama Earth.
Move, bitch. Get out the way, bitch.
while I was shopping for toiletries for my daughter, and I came across their things. I really liked it because they claim to be certified and organic. They are allergy tested. They are good for all age groups of babies and even toddlers. So I saw that they had some stuff for the mothers as well, mothers who have recently delivered or are expecting. I'm clearly not in any category, but I still was attracted towards this face mask. The C3 thing in this is the charcoal, coffee and clay face mask for mama, and it has some fruit extracts as well. I feel very nice and cool and soothing when I put it on my skin. It comes off easily. It is really good for the amount it is priced at. I'll quickly show you. This whole activated charcoal thing is all the rage these days. Every face wash for men, women, every face pack, they all, for teas and everything, it's all
activated charcoal, pulling out the dirt
thing happening. So this is of the same category. It doesn't really exfoliate or tighten, but it does brighten. It will make you feel clean, and it will give that nice squeaky clean feeling to the skin. It will also cool down. So anytime that I'm breaking out, I put this on, and you know, it kind of soothes all the acne and inflammation and the redness I have in my skin, and it's definitely worth the money. So next up, I have an eye cream. This is the Kiehls Powerful Wrinkle Reducing Eye Cream. It is with copper PCA and calcium PCA. Really doesn't know what it means. I don't care also, because I see the effects, I see the results. I have been using this for about 2 months. I don't have any lines around my eyes as of now, so I did not see the wrinkle reducing part of it, but I did feel that it gives nourishment to the eyes. Sometimes I get dryness around this area or some itchiness or something because it's not properly moisturized. That's when I use this cream, and it settles everything. It like calms my eyes down, and you know, it even preps the skin for concealer, under eyes for concealer, and I really like it. It's going to take me a long time to get to the bottom of it, but I'm on it. I'm already halfway through. I'm definitely going to finish it. Next is also another product by Kiehls. This is their most famous, most loved Midnight Recovery Concentrate. So what I do is, after I wash my face in the night, I will take a few drops of this, warm it up between my hands, and I massage it on my face. You can see the texture. It's really light, smells nice, it absorbs quickly into the skin. When I wake up in the morning, it's not like something magically happens overnight, but it does feel very plump and supple and soft. And I've tried a lot of facial oils in the past. I've finished many of them. If you want to know more about all the facial oils I've used in the past and my reviews and my thoughts on it, again, you can leave your comment. So I really like it. Next up, I have a concealer for you guys. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. It looks like that. I use this to spot conceal my acne or blemishes or under eyes or any of that area which needs correcting, color correcting, and this tone matches my skin shade perfectly. It blends in super easy. I've used it about 8 to 10 times ever since I bought it, and I'll quickly show you a swatch of it on my hand. So as you can see, it blended seamlessly, and that's because it's of the right shade and it has a good formula. It is non-drying, non-heavy, blends in easily. It has good coverage also, so I really like it. And the best point is it's really pocket friendly. But yes, I definitely am enjoying using this concealer. It's nice. So next up, I have the most favorite Rimmel Scandalized Eye Crayon. This is in the shade Bronze. I absolutely love this. Now see the swatch. This one is super creamy, very blendable. It's super creamy, blendable, and it gives a nice base to the eyes. And I've used it in my previous videos. I'll link them below for you. You should definitely check this crayon out in action. I can use it on the lid, I can use it on the bottom lid, and if I'm in a rush and I don't really have time to do a full eye look, I just quickly take this and smudge it all over my lids a bit, and I'll highlight the brow bone and all of that, and I'm good to go. whether I wear liner or mascara or I don't, it still looks really nice. So that is definitely one of my favorites. Next I have the LA Girl Pro Face High Definition Matte Pressed Face Powder. Now I use this to set my face. This is in the shade Nude Beige and it comes like that. This is a really affordable setting powder and it mattifies the skin. It also gives a small amount of coverage. So if you have used a light concealer or not really haven't used anything much, and if you just use this alone, it will give you a slight amount of coverage and it will give you a matte look, and that's what we need in the summer months. I don't want to really look like a hot oily mess, and it stays in place. The best part is that this will keep your makeup in place. It will keep you looking fresh. You know, it just doesn't give you that cakey effect that we all really hate. So definitely like it. It's a pocket friendly drugstore option. Very good alternative to MAC HD pressed powders. I have used both of these on my face today. I've used it under my eyes and to spot conceal some areas where I feel that there are some blemishes. You can see it gives a very nice full coverage and it doesn't look very heavy on the skin. If you want to see any of these products in action, you just leave a comment and I would be more than happy to show you how I exactly use them and how I get the products to work best for me. So that's it for you guys. That was the month of April and all the products I used. We are already in May and I am already making a list of all the favorite products that I will talk about next month with you guys. So thank you so very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching my videos. If you do, please hit the subscribe button. Give a thumbs up to this video. It would really mean a lot. Come back for more. Bye bye. And you can see it really conceals and एक मिनट